friends, welcome to Learn and Fun. In last video, we have completed active voice and passive voice. Today we will see direct and indirect speech. Reported speech is also known as direct and indirect speech. So what is reported speech? Reported speech is when we tell someone what another person said. To do this, we can use direct speech or indirect speech. Let's see more about direct and indirect speech. First is direct speech. Repeating the exact words spoken is direct speech. For direct speech, we convey the message of the speaker in his own actual words without any change to another person. And second one is indirect speech. Reporting the words is indirect speech. In indirect speech, we convey the message of the speaker in our own words to another person. Let's see first example for direct speech. He said, I can cook food. Let's try to convert the same sentence in indirect speech. He said that he could cook food. According to grammar rules, we have converted can to could, removed comma and inverted commas. Also added that keyword between the reporting and reported speeches. Second sentence for direct speech is, they said we may go to Canada. And indirect speech for the same sentence would be, they said that they might go to Canada. According to the grammar rule, the sentence changed direct to indirect speech. We have converted may to might, removed comma and inverted commas, added that keyword between the reporting and reported speech. Let's see some rules for conversion of direct to indirect speech. Can is converted to could. May is converted to might. Must is converted to had to or would have to. And the next one is could, would and might. That remains same in direct speech as well as indirect speech. Let's see direct and indirect speech for present tense. Present tense in the direct speech are changed into past tense. So simple present tense is converted into simple past tense. Let's see the structure of direct speech is subject plus verb first form plus object is converted into subject plus verb second form plus object. Subject plus verb first form plus object. This is the structure for simple present tense. And the structure is subject plus verb second form plus object. This is a structure for simple past tense. First sentence for direct speech is, Ram said, I walk. The same sentence is converted into indirect speech is, Ram said that he walked. According to the rules, we have converted direct to indirect speech. Ram said, I walked. This sentence is in simple present tense and we have to convert simple present tense into simple past tense according to the grammar rules. So the sentence becomes, Ram said that he walked. Second sentence for direct speech is, she said I live in Delhi. Indirect speech for the sentence is, she said that she lived in Delhi. According to the grammar rules, we have changed direct to indirect speech. Our next tense is present continuous tense. Structure for present continuous tense for direct speech is subject plus amizar plus verb fourth form plus object. The structure for present continuous tense is changed to past continuous tense. So, the structure for indirect speech is subject plus was verb plus verb fourth form plus object. First sentence for direct speech is, Neha said, I am having tea. Let's see the conversion of the same sentence in indirect speech. Neha said that she was having tea. According to the grammar rules, we have changed direct speech to indirect speech. For direct speech, the sentence is in present continuous tense, and for indirect speech, the sentence is in past continuous tense. And our next and last tense is perfect present tense. Let's see the structure for perfect present tense in direct speech. The structure is subject plus have or has plus verb third form plus object. Let's see the structure for indirect speech. Subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Perfect present tense is converted into perfect past tense. Let's see the example for direct speech. Aryan said Sam has left for school. The same sentence in indirect speech is Aryan said that Sam had left for school. According to the grammar rules, we have changed direct to indirect speech. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.